guys. Told you I'd be back for math. Here I am. All right, so today you're just going to watch this video for math, and then you are going to go on the Practice Buddy 12-6 Practice Buddy on Pearson Realize. So you might say, Mr. Grant, I already watched the video, I get it. Okay, that's great. Now let me see your work. Let me see some proof by seeing this Practice Buddy be done. So you need to go onto Pearson Realize on Clever. Same thing you've been doing. I just have some people missing it, so I'm going to make sure you see it. You go on Pearson Realize, you click that button, it loads. And now mine looks different, but I can see in my classes, I can see all my assignments that I gave you. See, Tuesday was extra. Okay, so yesterday, that was just something extra in case you had some extra time. Maybe you weren't sure how to do it. You needed some extra practice. Or maybe you totally got it and you wanted to say, look at this, Mr. Grant. Look what I can do. Now today, you go in, 12-6, Practice Buddy. It says Wednesday right here. That means you should be doing it on Wednesday. If you can't do it on Wednesday, try again Thursday, okay? I understand things happen, but if you're doing work and your mom says, oh, they're doing their work, you should be doing this right here. Understood? All right. So making sure that we're understanding what it is we're supposed to be doing. It's also on your overview every day. So here's Wednesday. Yeah, see? Video, and then the Practice Buddy. That's it for math. Tomorrow, I'll see you again for a video, okay? So right here, let's get started. Today, what we're going to talk about is the difference between centimeters and meters. Now, let's look at my ruler here. So here's my ruler. It has these spaces right here that are about 2 fingers wide. Those are inches. We practiced that last week and on Monday, okay? Inches, about 2 fingers. Now, if you flip your ruler over, you have cm. It says cm right here. Kind of hard for me to, there we go, hold it still. Hey. Okay, cm. Cm is centimeters, okay? They are smaller than inches. It's a totally different way to measure. You mean it's the same scale, but it's a different unit. It's about 1 finger wide rather than 2. Totally different unit. So the reason you might use centimeters if you need it to be very perfect, like which I had to do, I was supposed to be a bridesmaid in July, but they had to move their wedding. Anyways, I had to order my dress. So I took a tape measure and it went all the way around here and all the way around my arms and how tall I was to measure. Now, if I did inches and it went, let's say, around right here in between the 6 and 7, I would have had to say, oh, it's about 6.5, which can get a little funky. So centimeters help it be way more specific, okay? See how much closer they are together? So the difference between 2 and 3 centimeters, very precise. It's only a tiny difference. It's very specific, okay? So you're going to want centimeters if you're doing something that's very specific. But also, what you might like is meters. Meters, everyone else in the world loves them. Meters are great because they're 100 centimeters. How much easier is that to remember? How many centimeters are in a meter? 100. 100 is an easy number to remember. This ruler only goes to 30. It only goes to just over 30 centimeters. So it's more than 3 of these. Whereas inches, you have 3 of that. 3 rulers to make a yard. So 100 centimeters is a meter. Now, would I use meters to measure around me for my dress? Y'all think I'm over 100 centimeters around? Rude. No, no way. Okay. Now I'm not going to tell you. But just know it's not 100 centimeters. Okay. Maybe around my belly. I don't know. Around this belly here, it might be 100. Okay. So let's go and let's decide. Let's look at some things and let's decide, should I measure this in centimeters or should I measure it in meters? Okay. Let's take a look. Do, 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 do. All right. So think about the size of the object in real life. So it's pointing to your fingernail. Now, your fingernail is very small, right? Now, would I sit and take a meter stick and be like, my fingernail is 3 meters long? No, that would be crazy. You know how long that fingernail would be? So, we're going to go with the fact that it is more than likely in centimeters, okay? Now, a fingernail is about how long? Let's see. A meter? 100 centimeters? No, that would be the world's longest nail. 1 centimeter or 3 centimeters? What do you guys think? My little fingernail. Let's see if you were right. Is my fingernail about closer to 1 or 3 centimeters? Just 1. What about now? You guys, that football question on that quiz. Is it 3 centimeters now? No, my fingernail didn't get longer. It's just on a different spot of the ruler. It goes from 2 to 3. So it's still 1 centimeter. Okay, let's go to the next one. What about a bee? Bzzz. Would I measure that using meters or centimeters? Definitely centimeters. Definitely centimeters. And you know what else we can do on here? Look. Let's see if it'll let me. There we go. Definitely centimeters. Now, a bee is about how long? A centimeter, a meter, or 15 centimeters? Now, mind you, 15 centimeters is right here. Look. Oh, that's inches. 15 centimeters. From here all the way to here. Is that bee going to be about as wide as my head? No. I will move somewhere else. I will not be living in Florida. Nope. Okay, so now a meter, that's even bigger. So a centimeter makes the most sense. All right, let's put this back for the other teacher. What about a crayon? Meters or centimeters? It's still small, so definitely centimeters. Is it about 9 centimeters, 19 centimeters, or 3 meters? So we have 9 right here. 9 is about the size of my hand. 19 is right here. It's hard to see, but that's about the size. What do I have? My monkey. Or is it about 3 meters? Like, that's like as big as this room. Actually, it's probably bigger than this room. So a crayon is more than likely. The best answer would be 9 centimeters. 9 is the best choice that we have here. Okay, so what about this last one? Oh, whale. Now, for a blue whale, because I think a lot of us don't truly understand how ridiculously long a blue whale is. So I pulled up a picture so you can see. Look at this monstrosity. So there's like, it looks like an adult and maybe the baby. And look at the airplane. If you have ever been in an airplane before, you know that they are very, very long. okay? Also, look at 3 buses. A bus is pretty long. Elephants? 6 elephants? Oh my goodness. So if an elephant is like 2 meter, a meter or two, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, they're probably longer than that. I haven't seen an elephant in person in a long time. Well, I mean, a bus, a school bus. Wow. A school bus is a lot of meters. A school bus is like, I don't know, like 10 meters? So 10, 20, 30. Yeah, those elephants are bigger. My bad. So the whale is probably around 30 meters long. That's insane. So I would definitely be choosing meters for this unit. And 25 meters sounds about right because 10 meters, if I look at that, that's not enough. 20, 25 is definitely it. Woo, that's a big whale. All right, you guys. Have fun on Pearson. Realize right now, okay? You understand that either right now or in a minute, you can take a break. You need to go on Pearson Realize and get that practice buddy done. Okay? It's only like what, like 6 questions? You can do it. Have fun, guys. Bye.